Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get AI DJ in Spotify. Let's have a look now. Open the Spotify mobile app. On the home page of the Spotify mobile app, head to your music feed at the top. Tap on Music. If you want to have the DJ soundtrack, you need a premium account, and it's only available in specific countries and areas. So you need to be in the available countries to use the DJ Spotify. Okay, now tap play on the DJ card. Now you got your AI DJ. You can now stream it. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.